welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this everyday makeup look because lately I have been doing a dramatic and a very glamorous makeup look, and I kinda want to switch to the realistic makeup look, like which you can wear like in everyday basis. Does that make sense? So this is a look I can wear every day, and this is very quick and easy makeup look. So without further ado, let's get back to the video.
Under your toes, fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, the fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky.